Hey, so I am walking down this road to civilization. There's like a couple of supermarkets and a couple of restaurants. There's a shuttle bus for tourists. I just walked away from Hotel Caca Beach, which is over there, and now I'm walking through the woods. It's this road that goes up the side of the cliff, woods, beach, ocean. I guess if I wanted to go back up that way, I'd have to pay money for a cab, but I'm not, I'm not convinced, because I drove through there, I'm not convinced that what's going on up there is any better than what's going on down here. This is the first night I've been here where it has not rained like crazy. Last night was insane. I'm shutting this off because I'm approaching the area where there's capuchin monkeys and they love to grab cell phones, so